Anyway, so Safta and I were really, really tight back in the day. I actually got to sleep in the big, giant bed with Safta because I was a little 8-year-old boy. So anyway, one night, many moons ago, we wake up in the middle of the night and Safta hears me crying my little blue eyes out. Makara, what's the matter with you? She says, Safta, I can't sleep. Lama, why can't you sleep? Because you're snoring. Anyway, thank you. These are true stories. They're funny because they're true.